Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of November 15th, 2024. My name is Justin, I'm a photographer and product adder.
And I'm Clint, I'm kit manager.
And this is a series where we go through the Friday newsletter and we show you guys the fabric in person inside our studio. So without further ado, let's get started.
First up, we'd like to talk about our Friday bundle this week. It's the Christmas time Friday bundle. This bundle features patterns like ornaments, bells, mistletoe, peppermints, stars, leaves, as well as a little scene of a town preparing for Christmas in the classic Christmas colors of green and red, as well as cream. So with that time of year coming up, why not sow some holiday magic with the Christmas time Friday bundle?
Next, we have a group from Riley Blake called Elemental's Terrazzo Batiks. This is, of course, a Batiks group featuring the full collection yardage as well as wide open spaces kits. A note on those kits, more will be available in 2 weeks. We are restocking those. This group features textured prints that are similar to rocks in colors of neutral tones such as black, gray, and cream. So make sure to make your projects rock with Elemental's Terrazzo Batiks.
Now let's talk about Meadow Melody from Wilmington. For this collection, we've got assorted yardage as well as 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, the Meadow Melody kits, and the tote bag kits. This collection features patterns like florals, paisleys, leaves, and watercolor textures in colors like pink, purple, black, white, teal, and peach. So if florals are your thing, let your projects bloom with Meadow Melody.
Next, we have a group from Hoffman called Off the Grid Cabin. This features the full collection yardage, 31-inch cabin panels, as well as underground quilt kits. This group features a gorgeous panel with a cabin in the middle of the woods, as well as coordinating prints such as tree growth rings, wood texture, and trees in colors of green and brown. So make sure to branch out with Off the Grid Cabin.
Up next, we have French Revolution from Northcott. This collection, we have the full collection of yardage as well as the French chain kits and the Lafayette kits. This collection features beautiful patterns inspired by France in colors like red, black, charcoal, gray, sky, fuchsia, and cobalt. So be sure to bring a touch of elegance to your quilts with French Revolution.
Next, as always, we have a sale on a quilt kit for everybody called the Deco Quilt Kits from Free Spirit. This is using the K-Facet Collective. Originally, these kits are priced at $64.96. We now have them on sale for $39.96. A steal you definitely should take advantage of. So make sure to ignite your imagination with the Deco Quilt Kit.
And now we've got Comfort Food from Timeless Treasures. This collection is a little bit smaller. We do have the full collection of yardage as well as fat quarter bundles. This collection features patterns like nachos, pizza, tacos, fries, mac and cheese, and Chex in colors like yellow, red, green, and black. So why not create something scrumptious with Comfort Food?
Next, we have a Western group called Saddle Ranch from Moda. This features the full collection yardage, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, jelly rolls, patterns, Rocky Ridge quilt kits, cactus kits, and the Starstruck Stripes table runner kits. This features patterns such as cowboys, boots, hats, horseshoes, bandanas, and a patchwork cheetah print in colors of red, yellow, turquoise, and denim. So make sure to rustle up some creations with Saddle Ranch. You got a little country there.
Yeah, you did. Hats. As always, we like to bring up our monthly bargains. This November, we've got new items added every single day. You never know what you're gonna find. Might be some remnants, some yardage or notions. You really just never know what's in there unless you come and take a look.
Last thing we have to talk about is the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's episode. This week we have a comment from Sherry Lynn Scott 3358. Who says, I happened to stumble upon your TikToks and had no idea y'all had a YouTube. I love your shop and your excellent customer service. First off, we want to say thank you for watching all of our content that gets posted on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And also thank you so much for checking out our YouTube. We upload every single week on Friday, so make sure to come check out every week to watch the new installment of Friday Fabric Finds. We also want to say thank you so much for giving us compliments about our shop and especially our customer service. We put a lot of effort into making sure we have excellent customer service, so we're always happy to hear about that. And thank you so much for watching.
All right, so that's going to do it for us this week at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. We want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Leave a comment. You might even be featured for Comment of the Week next week. And be sure to follow us on social media. All of our links are in the description. We'll see you next week.